Faith over fear. How I survived rock bottom without giving up. Have you ever prayed for a shift in your finances, your mindset, or your peace during anxiety? They told me to stay positive, but how do you smile when your world is crashing? I hit rock bottom not just financially, but mentally, and I almost gave up. But then something shifted. It wasn't loud. It was quiet, but it was faith. Hebrews 11:1 says, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see." I remember staring at the ceiling one night thinking, is this how it ends? Laid off, bills unpaid, phone silent. I felt depressed and worthless and no strength to pretend everything's okay. I felt like fear was winning. It whispered, "You're not enough, you've failed, there's no coming back." But then one verse came to me. "When I am afraid, I put my trust in you." Psalm 56:3. That night I prayed, not a fancy prayer, just raw words. "God, I'm tired, but I'm trusting you." And that's when faith started to rise. Not because the problem disappeared, but because I wasn't walking through it alone anymore. Faith didn't erase the fear. It gave me something stronger. And slowly I began to get back up one prayer, one promise, one moment at a time. Doors didn't swing open overnight, but strength came back, peace returned. Ideas flowed, and I realized rock bottom wasn't the end. It was the foundation for something greater. Fear told me it was over, but faith said, watch what God will do next. If you're watching this, feeling like you're barely holding on, this message is for you, feeling overwhelmed by financial stress, anxiety, or depression. Faith Beams, GP Podcast reminds us that true strength doesn't come from stability. It comes through prayer, faith, and God's presence. We're talking real emotions, real struggles, and real breakthroughs. You're not alone. Watch our other videos, comment, and subscribe to join a community built on hope. Don't let fear write your final chapter. Comment in the comment section, still standing. Yes, still standing. You fought through a storm and survived. Subscribe to Faith Beams GP Podcast for more stories of faith, healing, and hope. Because your comeback story is still being written, subscribe to Faith Beams GP Podcast for more stories of faith, healing, and hope from nations around the world. We all need good news these days, don't we? Stay blessed and remember, your testing is waiting for your faith to turn your faith into a testimony. Thanks for listening to my testimony. I hope it has been an inspiration to you to keep hope alive. Have a blessed and wonderful week. God bless.